everyone, welcome back to our Koso kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut honey dark chocolate pie. What you need is coconut oil. I already melted coconut oil, cacao powder, honey, and also and some toppings you can use any nuts and seed. I personally like to add nuts and seed, sometimes cacao nibs for the crunchiness. You can add ginger, cayenne pepper, whatever you feel like. You'll get variety of prebiotics eating this chocolate from cacao, honey, also. Prebiotics are source of energy for friendly bacteria living in our gut. And when we have healthy gut, those friendly bacteria produce beneficial nutrients. Those nutrients produced by friendly bacteria in our gut will help absorb minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, support immune system, balance our mood, blood sugar, hormone, gives us energy. Now you know why it's so important to keep our gut healthy. I'll show you how to make this chocolate. I have melted coconut oil here. Combine it with Koso, honey, add cacao powder and whisk until it's smooth. You can choose other sweetener such as maple syrup, date sugar, coconut sugar. You can also add spices. I like to add cayenne pepper sometimes to my chocolate for a little bit punch. When this mixture is smooth, pour chocolate into a mold. Here you go. Once you add some topping, keep in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Then you can enjoy